Dear students, in my last class, I did B02 paper. So today, we are moving to B03, which includes morphology of flowering plants, respiration, anatomy of flowering plants, transport in plants, mineral nutrition. So, first question, match the different types of plants given in column first and their examples given in the column second and choose the correct combination of alphabets of the two columns. So, in the column first, they have given trailers and lianas, zomophytes, halophytes. In column 2, heptage, autocarpus, euphorbia, pseudotrapha. If you match this, you compare this, the correct answer for this is option C. Option C, that is trailer example is euphorbia, then lianas, it is heptage, then zomophyte, it is autocarpus, then halophytes, it is pseudo. So first of all, we should know what are trailers. Trailers they spread over the ground without rooting of parasitic prostate stem. They spread over the ground without prostate stem. Example for this is tribulus and euphorbia. Tribulus and euphorbia. Tribulus and euphorbia. Creepers, as you know, creepers with parasitic stem and then with root at intervals. Creepers, no, not parasitic, prostate stem with roots at the intervals. Example, grasses. You might have seen the grasses. They have roots at regular intervals. So, prostate stem. Climbers. They grow on other plant body with the help of clinging or coiling structures. Clinging or coiling structures. Example, grape vein. Grape vein. And then twinners. Twinners Weak stemmed plants where stem twine around the support. They are very weak stemmed plants. And grow by the support of another plant. Another plant. Example, apomia. Apomia. Lianas. Woody climbers. And example is hiptage and farnia. Hiptage and Faneria or Fanera. And in sea habitat, the following plants they observed. Sea habitat. Zoostera and Thalassia. Freshwater plants. Pistia, floating plant. And then Wolfia. And then Lemna. Hydrilla. And Trappa. Mesophytes. Plants grow in a moist habitat. Plants grow in moist habitat. Moist habitat. Zamophytes live in sandy habitat, sandy soil habitat. Here for mesophytes, sunflower is example. Sunflower. And for sandy habitat, the plants which grow in sandy habitat, it is best plant, best. Lithophytes grow on rocks. And the examples for this is Lamiaceae members. Lamiaceae. Halophytes. In salt water. Plants that grow in salt water. Plants that grow in salt water. Rhizophora. Is the example. Rhizophora. So, I think I have given different names and their meaning and the examples. I think it may be helpful for you. Second question. Lateral roots are endogenous in some plants. Lateral roots are endogenous. It's because of why they are endogenous. Second question. Option, they say they arise from the cortex region of the root. Option B, they say they arise from the inner layer of the root. Option C, they arise from the pith. Option D, they arise from the pericycle. Why they are called endogenous? Option is D, because the roots arises from pericycle. Option D, they arise from pericycle. The roots that develop from the radicle of the embryo, and the roots have following different zones that I won't write. That is root cap, meristematic zone, elongation zone, and maturation zone. Meristematic initial cells present just above the root cap, and it has two types of cells. One is called calyptrogen and histogen. So this is important. Meristematic part of the root, meristematic root has two parts. They are calyptrogen. What is this calyptrogen part? It is found towards the apex of the plant. Found towards apex tip. And histogen part. Histogen part, it is towards the base. Found towards base. Found towards base. Along with that, it has elongation region, cell maturation zone, then piliferous zone where root hairs will develop. Lateral root arises endogenously from taproot in acropetal section. Then there are different types of roots are there. I'll write types of roots. Types of roots. Under that, first one is taproot. Taproot. And the second one is adventitious roots. In adventitious roots, there are three types. There are three types. Root hairs arising from the base of the stem. Root hairs from the base of the stem. Such roots are found in triticum. And the second category of root, roots from leaves. Roots arises from leaves. Such type of roots are found in bryophytes. They are found in bryophytes. And roots that develop from nodes and internodes. Roots that develops from nodes and internodes. And in tap roots, there are following different types. Tap roots. Tap roots. Here, under fleshy type, fleshy taproot. First one is conical taproots, swollen at the base, narrow at the tip. And it is seen in carrot. Fusiform root. Thicker in middle. It is seen in radish. Napiform root. Thick in the upper portion. And example, Brassica napus. And tuberous root. Swollen root part in different position. Example is Mirabilis jalapa. Then nodulated. It is in nodules are found. This type of root, it is found in glycine max. This is a second type of root. So remember, in taproot, fleshy, under that 4 types, conical, fusiform, napiform, tuberous, and second is nodulated. And there is another one, that is a respiratory root, pneumatophore containing roots. Respiratory roots. This type of roots we observe in mangrove plants. I think you know where these mangrove plants will grow. In estuaries where the river water joins the ocean. Then root butters, 4th category in taproot. It is found in tree. Rubber tree. It is found in rubber tree. Then adventitious root modification. Next, adventitious root modification. Under this, moniliform root that means swollen roots at regular intervals. It is found in Momodica. It will be like this, roots. The roots are swollen at regular intervals. If the roots are like this, then such roots are called moniliform roots. The second type of roots that we come across in adventitious is annulated root. Annulated. And here the roots, they possess ring-like structures at regular intervals. Such roots are called annulated roots, and it is found in Cephalis. Cephalis. Tuberous root. Tuberous root. Here the roots, they are swollen in the beginning and narrower at the tip, and such roots are in batata. Apomia batata plant. And then fasciculated roots. It's also another adventitious root type. Fasciculated root. This type of root, it is bunch of swollen roots. We observe bunch of swollen roots. I think you might have seen a dahlia plant, and in that plant we observe dahlia, this type of root. Palmate root, palmate root. And it's look like palm-like. It is seen in orchis. Orchis. Then nodulose with the swollen tip. With swollen tip. It is seen in Curcuma amada plant. The roots are like this. They are narrower in the beginning and they are swollen at the tip. They are like this. Amada. So, modified adventitious roots are as follows. Modified adventitious roots are as follows. They are modified roots, prop roots. You might have seen in banyan tree, prop roots, banyan tree, then stilt root, ziamase, and then climbing root, pepper, parasitic root in cuscuta, then assimilatory root, Tinospora, assimilatory root, mycorrhizal root, it is seen in Tinospora plant, mycorrhizal root in Pinus plant. Then epiphytic, it is seen in Vanda plant. Epiphytic, Vanda. And contractile root, it is seen in crocus plant. Contractile, crocus. Then floating roots, it is seen in Salvinia. A reproductive root, it is seen in sweet potato. Thorn root, Acanthorhiza, leaf root, Bryophyllum, nest root, in Dischidia. So you should remember all these different types of roots along with the examples. So I'll continue in the next part.